Oh, hey, how are you? Sorry, I didn't notice you there because I was too busy admiring my terrarium. All jokes aside, I'm finally pulling my finger out and I've ordered the materials to redo my own terrarium, so I will be doing that today. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I like to post videos when we go traveling, but when we're not traveling, I like to post videos on fun, fitness, and just things that I like to do in my spare time. Today, we are going to be tackling redoing our very own terrarium. I've actually ordered from Flower Twig, which is a company based in Victoria, Hoppers Crossing it came from. So I was pretty quick with its delivery. I haven't actually opened the packet just yet, but we're going to redo the terrarium. I just ordered a small because this is obviously small. This was going really well. I've had this for several years now, but unfortunately one day we knocked the lid open. So it was exposed to air for a little while and then it just went completely funky. So you don't even want to know what's going on in there. There's actually a little mushroom as well as a little toy dog, but it's unrecognizable and looks like absolute filth. So let's open this up. Let's clean this out and get cracking. Let's first of all have a little look-see at what we're working with. Ooh, it's nicely labeled. So here we have some fresh moss. Looks nice and moist. Oh, I'm guessing this is the soil that we're going to be working with. Base layer moss. I really hope this comes with instructions because I'm not great at this stuff. Oh, looks like we've got our little plants to go inside, which look really nice. We got a little froggy. That's that is so cute. I love it. And we've got some base layer pebbles, beautiful. Decorative pebbles, that looks so nice. And a protective layer, please peel off both sides. Cool. All right, we're gonna get into the nitty gritty here. I think this actually comes with a, oh, I got some tongs, cool. That's what I was a little bit worried about, whether or not I'd have to have tongs as well. But looks like my fears have been answered. Activated charcoal, decorative sand, some chopsticks, just I'm guessing if you get a little bit hungry, and a spoon, likewise if you can't use chopsticks. And I'm assuming that this is, oh, it's a little bit funky. Which way do I open it? I don't want to make everything go flying. Ah, yes, it does. It comes with a brand new glass bowl. Check that out. Isn't that beautiful? Lovely. It's pretty much got everything that you need. Now, the most important part, what I'm looking for, oh, yes, we have the care guide and instructions manual. So, oh, that's really cool. Got like a little QR code if you want to join their community. Number one, we've got the terrarium water cycle. Very cool. So it's actually got some care instructions, how to create a terrarium. I don't know, do you guys say terrarium or terrarium? Because I'm probably going to be switching between the two. I'm not too sure, but looks like it's got each of the individual steps, which is super helpful. And top tips for closed terrarium care. So this looks really good. And all of this, guys, was only $70 for their small one, which is actually quite decently sized. So maybe I don't need to use my old worn out one as I'll be transporting everything into the new one. But that's pretty decent. And I think the only thing I will be grabbing out of here is the little mushroom, the doggo, so it can go with our new little frog friend. Let's get started. Ginley. We have Ginley joining us as well. She wants to be involved. First, I'm just gonna give the bowl a little bit of a wipe. It's got some little streaky bits in there. So it's got that nice clear finish. Finito. How to create a terrarium. Create your own little ecosystem in 6 steps. It's easier than you think. It's all about getting the layers set up correctly in your terrarium. Oh, hello Peanut, nice of you to join us. Once the base work is set up correctly, it's then just a matter of adding your plants and decorations, misting and putting the lid on your terrarium. Water will only need to be topped up every couple of months. Nice and easy, just the way we like it. Okay, first of all, we need to put in the base layer pebbles for drainage. All right, let's pop these bad boys in first. Base layer pebbles for drainage. Do I put it all in? I mean, I will. Now let's just use our little spoon. Peanut, are you helping? You're doing a really good job, Peanut. Okay, base layer pebbles are in for drainage. Let's check out what's next. All right, so number 2, add charcoal to purify water and help remove toxins. Okay, so we've got our activated charcoal here. All right, I want to create like a little layer all the way around so it's nice and even. There we go. All right, activated charcoal is in. Let's just do a little spread out. Number 3, add base layer moss to create barrier between the drainage and soil layer. Here we go. Let's add that in. So I'm assuming I would usually use the tweezers for this, but I'm just going to use my hands because it's pretty clumped together. It's going everywhere. Ooh. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be using everything, but I am. I'm sure they would have told me otherwise if I'm not supposed to. And I'm sure that a little bit of moisture in this will definitely make it a little bit more flat. How's that looking, Peanut? Do you like it? I think Peanut and Ginley approve. Step number 4. Put in 2 centimeters of terrarium soil mix. Don't know how accurate my 2 centimeters is gonna be, but let's try it out. This isn't stuff that you guys can eat, I'm sorry. Got soil all over my hands. A little bit more. Now, this is the fun part. So, step number 5, we position plants into the soil mix and top up soil if needed. This little cutie here. So, let's be very delicate. I don't want to open this and then it goes exploding everywhere. Ooh, I'm so nervous. It's nicely wrapped gift. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. You guys want to chew on the cardboard? Look at that, that's pretty. Wow. All right. Now I have to get through this obstacle as well. Here we go. All right, so it looks like I've got 3 different bunches. Look at that, that's nice. Awesome. Okay, this is probably where I'm gonna use these bad boys. I kind of put them all in one corner, I reckon. Maybe I'll put a little one in the middle. Let's do Peanut, stop. It's just like sticking out. I think I can close that. That should be okay. But I'm guessing that's where I'm gonna top all the soil up as well. Peanut, stop. You can't eat that. And I'm gonna do another little one right here. Let me just dig that in. Peanut, stop eating it. All right, they're in. They're looking pretty nice. But it looks a little bit strange because it's just little sticks kind of standing up out of the soil. So I'm just going to top that up with some more soil. I think that's topped up enough. I think that'll do for now. Okay, we're on to our final step. Add decorations around the plants, mist, and put the lid on. The terrarium is now complete. All right, we have decorative sand. We've also got fresh moss and decorative pebbles. I want to do a combination of all of them. Let's see what we can do. So let's get some sand amongst it first, just because I feel the least creative when it comes to sand. I'm not really sure how to kind of put it in there, so I'm just gonna start around this side. Oh, it's like looks like kinetic sand almost. How's it looking? You can't eat it. Sorry, Bubby. I know you want to eat the you want to eat the greens, but you can't. Sorry, Bubby. Let's do the decorative pebbles. Come here. Let's use the spoon method again. Sand over here, pebbles there, and I'm going to do the fresh moss on the other side. I feel like I need to use these for this. Looks very, ooh, very delicate. Look at that. It's kind of all connected actually. Look at that. Oh wow. Oh wow, 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 wow. Okay, this is gonna be a little tricky, but we're gonna make it work, okay? Maybe I'll pop a little bit of pebbles in there for a change up of texture. Maybe we'll add a little bit more moss right here, I reckon. If you want to know where the birds are right now, I currently have a peanut on my head and Guinea is just sitting at the back of my chair. Oh, she's back on my shoulder. Here she is. I'm gonna put a little bit more sand on there, guys. Just a smidge. What do you think about that, Peanut? Yeah, I think a little bit more sand will do really nicely. Thanks. Thanks, Peanut. I agree. What about you, Genly? Yeah, I would like a little bit more sand too. Look at that. I am so happy with how that looks. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I did this myself. Wow. Very easy to do actually. Super, super easy. Next up from here, I mean, I've got extra fresh moss and also the decorative pebbles and decorative sand if I ever need to do a bit of a rejig. So still got heaps of items left over. Let's get our little friends in there and into their new home. Oh my goodness. Look at him. He's just a little guy. I am going to quickly clean up the doggo and the mushroom from the other terrarium and let's pop them into their little rainforest side. Okay, this is what they look like before. And unfortunately, while cleaning the mushroom, it just disintegrated in my hands. Fortunately, we can't use the mushroom in the new terrarium, but however, look how beautifully my little doggo cleaned up. So now he's no longer a little black dog, he's a little brown and black. So he's beautiful. We're gonna pop him straight in to our little rainforest area. Oh, fits nicely. Cute. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That looks amazing. So I'm assuming that we just pop this little part on the top. So we just got to peel off both sides. Oh, here we go. This is going to be so satisfying. Ready? Oh, yes. Oh, look at that. That was very satisfying. So I'm going to do a mist first, but that's what it looks like on top. It just keeps it all nice and enclosed, but let's get our little mister first. Give it a little spray. Let's grab some paper towel and give it a bit of a clean up. Wow. Oh my goodness. That looks amazing. Let's pop our little doggo back in. We've been misted, and now we can pop this on top. Amazing. Look at that. Wow, I'm so happy with it. That looks so good. All right, Lane, how would you like to rate my terrarium?
Yeah, it's pretty good. Looks very aesthetic.
Thank you.
Yeah, I wonder why people charge so much for one of these.
How much did you buy the original for?
It's a while ago, but over $100.
Ooh.
Yeah.
See, this whole pack with extra stuff was only $70, and it's bigger.
Oh, 70. Yep.
$70.
So labor was probably $50. Yeah, I like it. Very nice. I'll rate it 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
Yep.
What would make it a 10?
If you have the mushroom in there.
It exploded.
Well, you don't get a 10.
No! Alright, well, I'll see if I can find the mushroom. I'm super excited with how this turned out, and it actually didn't take that long. Really easy instructions, and they had everything labeled, so super simple, and I would say it's pretty inexpensive in terms of the quality of products that you're getting, and you've actually got some leftover if you ever want to change up the landscape as well. Probably end up doing another one. This will be a new hobby of mine. What do you think about it, Peanut? Do you like it? I think he likes it. Do you like it, Bubby? Are you a good boy? I think he likes it, that's good. Anyway, that does it for today's video. If you haven't already, please hit subscribe. And if you like the video, please hit that thumbs up down below. And comment down below if you've done your own terrarium before, or if you have any suggestions of how I can make mine look a little bit more artistic, but I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye guys, subscribe to the channel.